is a sanctuary we return to each night, a private harbor where the waves of the day finally still. Our bedroom is more than just a room. It is a retreat for the mind and a resting place for the body. And at its very center, both literally and spiritually, is the bed. It is the altar of our rest, the foundation of our dreams. But in this space, meant for quiet and calm, life has a persistent way of accumulating the extra blanket, the book we are halfway through, the clothes not quite ready for the wash. What if the very foundation of our rest could also be the gentle, graceful solution to this quiet clutter? This is the promise held within the wooden bed frame with storage drawers. A peace that understands that true peace is found not only in comfort, but in a serene and uncluttered space. Imagine a bed that feels less like a piece of furniture placed upon the floor and more like an extension of the floor itself. A low, solid platform of warm wood, from which the headboard rises like a steadfast guardian. This is not a spindly frame that leaves a dark, forgotten void beneath it, a magnet of dust bunnies and lost socks. Instead, it is a complete and intentional structure. The space beneath the mattress is transformed, reclaimed, and given a purpose. With the gentle pull of a handle, a hidden world of order is revealed. Deep, smooth gliding drawers emerge from their recesses, offering a profound and simple gift, a place for things to belong. This is the quiet genius of the design. It doesn't add storage to the room. It integrates storage into the very act of rest. It understands the economy of space, using the footprint that already exists. The space we are already dedicating to the bed and making it work twice as hard as for our tranquility. There is a beautiful efficiency to it, a sense of thoughtful design that solves a problem so elegantly. It feels less like a utility and more like a natural law. The chaos of the room is tamed, not by adding more furniture, but by giving the central piece a deeper, more intelligent purpose. And the material that makes this intelligence feel so soulful is, of course, wood. This is not a cold, clinical solution of metal and plastic. It is a structure built from the warmth and vitality of the forest. Wood brings its living history into our most intimate space. The grain on the face of each drawer is a unique fingerprint, a flowing map of the tree's life, capturing years of sunlight and rain. This is a surface you can feel, a texture that connects you to the natural world, even as you organize trappings of your daily life. The personality of this peaceful giant is profoundly shaped by this species chosen for its creation. Consider the humble, honest strength of oak. A bed frame of oak has a timeless, rustic resilience. Its pronounced grain and honey-toned warmth speak of endurance and steadfastness. It is a wood that feels unshakable, its solidity promising that the structure will hold, that the drawers will glide through for a lifetime. It has a friendly, approachable character that makes the large piece feel grounded and welcoming. Then there is the serene, clean beauty of maple. A maple bed frame with storage brings a light, airy feeling to the room. Its fine, often subtle green and pale creamy color act as a canvas of calm. In a space meant for rest, this clarity is a balm for a busy mind. Maple is also incredibly hard and durable. Its smooth surface resisting the dings and scuffs of daily life, ensuring that the peaceful sanctuary remains unmarred by the passage of time. For a sense of deep, contemplative luxury, one might turn to the richness of walnut. A walnut bed frame is a statement of profound tranquility. Its dark chocolatey hues and often dramatic swirling grain pattern pulling the light into itself, creating a cocoon-like atmosphere. This is a bed that doesn't just promise sleep, it promises deep enveloping rest. The drawers, faced with this beautiful wood, become not just storage but seamless panels of a beautiful whole. Their contents hidden away to preserve the room's sacred quiet. Ultimately, a wooden bed frame with storage drawers is far more than a convenient piece of furniture. It is a philosophy for the bedroom, a belief that the foundation of our rest should support every aspect of our repose, the physical comfort of the body and the mental comfort of a serene, ordered environment. Tell me, which of these ideas resonated most with you? Let me know your perception in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.